winter weather message. Winter weather advisory in effect until noon Eastern Standard Time Monday. Wind chill warning now in effect from noon Monday to 9 a.m. Winter storm warning is canceled. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a winter weather advisory for snow, which is in effect until noon Eastern Standard Time Monday. The winter storm warning has been canceled. Accumulations, snowfall overnight and early Monday morning will generally be 2 to 4 inches. Timing, a mixture of rain and snow will turn to all snow this evening as colder air moves in from the west. Winds increasing to 15 to 30 miles per hour with gusts around 35 miles per hour tonight through Tuesday. Winds from the northwest tonight will back to the west and southwest Monday. Visibilities will drop to below a mile at times overnight. Impacts. Snow accumulation can make roads slick, requiring lower speeds and greater distances between vehicles while driving. A fast freeze of rainwater on roads possible with a rapid temperature drop overnight. Blowing and drifting snow late tonight through Tuesday. It may take 10 minutes or less to get frostbite on exposed skin Monday into Tuesday. Temperatures dropping to below zero on Monday and remaining near or below zero into Wednesday. Morning lows in the teens below zero Tuesday morning. Wind chill readings 22 as low as 40 degrees below zero at times, especially Monday through Wednesday morning. A wind chill warning is issued when a strong wind will combine with cold temperatures to create dangerously cold conditions for exposed skin. The wind will make it feel like it is 25 degrees below zero or colder for several hours. Those planning to venture outdoors should use common sense and dress warmly. A winter weather advisory is normally issued for a variety of winter weather conditions such as light snow, blowing snow, sleet, freezing rain, and wind chills. While the weather will be significant, the word advisory implies that severe winter weather is not anticipated. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for further details or updates. The winter weather